Hi, everyone. It's Misha Honey. Last time, we've talked about the pros and cons of international dropshipping versus local e-commerce. Now we are going to talk about the frequently asked questions on local e-commerce. But before that, here is my disclaimer. I am not a guru. Any advice I offer is focused solely on my own research and experience. As there are several factors that will affect your performance, so there is no guarantee. Everything stated should be taken as an opinion. So let's start now. Frequently asked questions. Part 1. Question 1. How much is the estimate startup capital? The ideal starting capital in the local e-commerce is around 30,000 pesos. It's already stretched budget, meaning it includes product testing, marketing, and other marketing overhead cost. Question 2. What equipment do I need? Basically, you will need a good fast working computer or laptop. A slow computer will slow down your working performance. The ideal specification is Intel i5 AMD Ryzen 5, 500GB, 8GB RAM. Question 3. What is the best courier partner? Every courier has strengths and weakness. There is no perfect courier company. You can either choose NinjaVan, J&T Express, LBC, GoGo Express. Choose a courier with a dashboard such as J&T Express or NinjaVan. Question 4. What is the best payment card? Should I use a debit or credit card? It depends on your need, but for me, my suggestion is that you should always use a credit card. Why? Because you can enjoy the perks and benefits of it. For example, in Citibank, you can get up to 6% cashback rewards for your purchase. For BDO reward points can be converted to grocery items, appliances, gift certificate, etc. For BPI SkyMile you can get travel points. To check more the credit card which suits your need, please check the link below. You can compare the credit cards, and so you can decide about it. Question 5. Where will I get SUPPLIER? This is the main worry for the beginners. So, for the local dropshipping SUPPLIER, here are my few recommendations. OJMD Vibranium Drop PH, Project Ecommerce, DV George, the links will be provided. DV Soria, you can hire a runner with a minimal fee, they will sort product/supplier for you. ShopPay, you can always get your item there. Alibaba, this is for the winning product, and of course, you need to order bulk to earn more. Question 6. Should I start with a general, niche, or branded store? Ideally, if you are a beginner, go with the general store. Of course, this will depend on you. If you think you have enough experience with running a business, enough resources, and digital marketing experience, you can always start with a niche or branded store. Question 7. Should I register my online business even if I'm just a startup? For me, local e-commerce is a real business, and if you are serious about this business, you should register it as a mandate by law, and this will help you to minimize the issues with your buyer soon. Question 8. How will I register to DTI? This is very simple, all you have to do is visit the DTI website and register online. Here is the link. Question 9. How about the tax? After you register to DTI, go to Negocio Center and file for BMBE registration. After that, then go to BEER and bring the necessary documents. Question 10. What is BMBE? How will it benefit my online business? BMBE will give you tax incentives. Income tax exemption, minimum wage exemption, 3% percentage tax. In the long run, if your earnings exceed 3 million, you can switch to an 8% flat tax rate. This is very good in the long run because there is no tax audit. So that's it, we've already discussed the first part of basic questions on local e-commerce. Please stay tuned, we will discuss more things about the local e-commerce. I hope you learned something. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you all in the next video.